welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in like a million years. I just got around to like forcing myself to do this video because I haven't had lots of motivation, but here we are. So if you're like me who likes falsies but has struggled to put them on because they don't want to go on for whatever reason, I've officially learned how to put falsies on now, and now I can't go without wearing them. But if you still struggle, I'm gonna try out some magnetic eyelashes from Amazon today. I don't really know if they're gonna work. I have hope they'll work because the reviews were pretty nice and they looked really good. But this is gonna be like a first impressions of that. And maybe they'll be my new favorite thing. We'll see. So I bought this pack. Bliss. I'll put the link down below so you guys can see which ones I bought if they end up being really nice. But anyway, this is what the pack looks like. They actually look really good. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, they look nice and like wispy. They have like the long clusters and then they have the short clusters. I feel like they look more wispier that way. So yeah, we'll see. Let's get into it. You put this on and then the lashes adhere to it through the magnets that the lashes have on them. I don't know how well this is gonna work, but you're supposed to wait a good minute for this to dry down. If you don't, then you risk, when you go to put on the lashes, if you try to like maneuver them or move them, you move the eyeliner and then you have like a patch of eyeliner. I am not an eyeliner person, so I'm not going to be putting like a whole, I lost the batteries to this thing. I'm not going to be putting like a whole wing because that's not me. If that's your style, by all means do that. But I'm just going to put like a thin line. All right. This looks pretty good. It looks nice and thin that you can really get like a precise wing. Let's see how this line turns out. No, actually, you know what? It's going on pretty good and pretty black, which I'm very surprised about, and I'm actually really impressed. I know my neighbors downstairs are like, is she talking to herself? Because there's nobody in the house but her. Oh well, who cares? All you can see that it's going on pretty nicely, actually. I kind of like it. So, we got the first line. So I'm gonna do the second line off camera and then I'll be back. So I have both lines done. So I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes just so it can dry down so I can put the eyelashes on. I want to really give it a fair shot and do my best for this to work. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll be back in 10 minutes. While I was waiting, I went ahead and cut the eyelashes. You can kind of see, like, I don't even know. I cut these. I cut them so they would fit my eye. My only concern is that the magnets keep you from cutting the eyelash, so you have to kind of go in between each magnet to see where it would fit, so it would fit your eye. That's my only thing. Regular eyelashes, you don't have to worry about a magnet being in the way to cut them, but whatever. I'm gonna apply this one and we'll see. Let me move my hair back. Okay, it does come with like an applicator, but I like to use my fingers because I feel like I can get in there with my fingers. I'm scared. I don't know why I'm scared. It's just not going down. I think that's my fault because I didn't place enough eyeliner down there. I didn't put enough eyeliner, but that's my fault. Oh my gosh. Something just fell in my house, and I don't know if it's because somebody's in my house or because something just fell. Alright, so I think I'm gonna have to do another line of eyeliner because I didn't get enough in the inner corner and then the outer corner for it to really stick down. So I'm gonna do that and then come back. We're gonna try this again and see if it works. I didn't wait a full 10 minutes, but I felt it and it didn't come back on my hand, so I think it might be dry. They look really good. My only concern is the inner corner. Like, I'm just scared it's gonna like come out and then just like stick out. You see that? They're on, girl. Hold up. They look good. Like, I'm bald on this side And then like we pop it on the side. Look. Ah. Let me put the other one on. I got them both on. I'm not really like, I like the way they look. The only thing for me is that with regular strip lashes with glue, you can really press the falsies with your natural lashes to make them blend even more. With these, you can't really do that because you're going based off of the eyeliner and not like glue, so you really can't adhere. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't like having that gap that you can so obviously see. They look really good. They do. The lashes are beautiful. My only thing is that I can't press that. Like, if I try to do that, the magnet might come off. Didn't really do much. The inner corner wants to come out and then it'll like reattach itself again, and then like I don't like that. I want them to stay in place all day. I don't want them to have to lift up. But with the glue, once you get them down, the glue's gonna keep them down all day, especially if you have waterproof glue. The space between like this and this, I don't like the way that looks, and I feel like it just doesn't look as seamless as it could look with glue lashes. But if you want to try it, it definitely does work. They do go down. They might come up and then reattach itself for whatever reason. But if you want to try it, go for it. I'll link them down below. They're just not. They're not for me. I just don't. I'm not a big fan. Not a big fan. I would stick to regular old glue and strip lashes, because these are just, then you have to wait for the glue to kind of settle, and then you have to cut them in between the magnets, and then it might not fit your eye at that point, and then you have to go to apply it, and then it just, the application process is, I don't know. I mean, it's okay. Out of 10, probably give them like maybe like a 6 or 7. See, this inner corner is like not wanting to like go down all the way. I don't like that. I personally don't really recommend them. I think it's too time consuming. These ones, they just don't feel super secure. But I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you have a blessed day. And yeah, I'll see you around for the next video. Bye.